Hey there, everyone. It's Fahad Scythe, your friendly neighborhood social media specialist. I've got something big to share with you all today. I'm about to embark on an epic 30-day journey, and I want you all to be a part of it. I've decided to dive headfirst into the world of freelancing, and I'm setting a bold goal for myself. My mission? To earn $500 in my very first month as a freelancer. I know it sounds crazy, right? But that's what this journey is all about. Pushing myself to the limit, stepping outside of my comfort zone, and proving that anything is possible. Every single day, I'll be documenting my progress, sharing behind-the-scenes insights, and revealing the strategies I'm using to make this happen. From pitching clients and nailing those contracts to delivering exceptional results, I'll be capturing it all. And here's the best part. You won't miss a single moment of this thrilling journey. I'll be uploading daily videos across all my social media platforms, keeping you in the loop every step of the way. But it's not just about me. I want this to be a source of inspiration for all of you out there who have been contemplating the freelance life. I want to show you that it's possible to turn your skills and passions into a thriving freelance career. So buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Together, we'll conquer challenges, celebrate victories, and learn valuable lessons that will empower us to chase our dreams fearlessly. Get ready for the thrills, the highs, and even the occasional lows. This journey will be a roller coaster of emotions, but with your support and my relentless drive, we're going to make it to that $500 mark and beyond. Stay tuned for the first video of this epic freelancing adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update. Let's make history together. Thank you all for joining me on this exhilarating journey. And remember, the sky's the limit.